Hello traders, if you are new here, you can grab a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that comes packed with a bunch of built-in indicators and candlestick patterns. The link is in the description below. Alright, so let us get into the review that we have for this particular video. Alright, so in this video, I am looking at Alchemist EA. It is designed for MetaTrader 5, and as we can see, it is currently in version 1.1, and this one is an MT5 only EA. We can see here is an automated MT5 MetaTrader 5 trading robot. All right, designed to help traders automate their trading without having to manually monitor the market throughout the day. Okay, so if you are running MT4, this particular robot won't be compatible with your setup. Starting from the top of the listing, Alchemist EA is priced at $30 on the MQL5 marketplace, and it is listed under the experts category. We can see that it's developed by Kagiso Innocent Mogalain, trading under the brand InnoBots FX. So right now the listing shows 5 activations, and just to clarify what that actually means, activations refers to how many devices, all right, refers to how many devices you are allowed to run the EA on with your license, not how many people have purchased or are using it. Okay, so don't read too much into that number when it comes to popularity. So moving into the description, the developer describes Alchemist EA as a fully automated trading robot designed to help traders manage the market without having to sit and watch charts all day. Now, according to the listing, the EA analyzes market conditions on its own and then looks for potential trading opportunities, then manages those trades based on its programmed logic. Now, I want to be upfront here, okay? The listing does not really go into detail about what that trading logic actually is. So there is no mention of specific indicators, candlestick patterns, entry conditions or exit rules. So I'm not going to guess or fill in those blanks, okay? What we know is that it is automated, and that is really the extent of what is confirmed. So now let us just quickly go through the key benefits that the developer highlights. First, we have the fully automated trading. The EA is built to open and manage trades on its own, which for a lot of traders is the main draw of using an EA in the first place, right? Since it removes the need to babysit the charts. Secondly, the listing mentions market analysis, saying that the EA continuously monitors conditions for potential setups. Again, no specifics on what it is analyzing for, just that it is designed to be always watching. All right, so the developer also points to fast execution, meaning that the EA is built to react to opportunities without manual intervention, and trade management where it handles positions automatically once a trade is opened. So that is a fairly standard feature for EAs, but it is still worth noting because it means less manual involvement is needed after entry. One more point worth mentioning is 24/7 operation. The listing states the EA can run continuously when connected to a suitable VPS. All right, and that is something to keep in mind if you are considering this. You likely need a VPS running to get that always on functionality, since your personal computer will need to stay on and connected otherwise. Now, something I do want to flag for transparency is that there is no much detail into the logic that the EA actually uses, right, to execute its trades. and all of that. But we are going to go to our strategy tester right away to see how this expert advisor performed. Okay, so I back tested the Alchemist EA. I back tested it on XAUUSD, all right, on the H1 time frame, and the test was done over the past about 8 months. From 1st January 2026 till 20th August 2026, which is basically till date, because as at the time of recording, the date is 21st August. Okay, so we are using the every tick modeling, and then from the results, we can see that the total initial deposit was $10,000, and the total net profit was negative $131.95. Okay, so that shows that about 1.3% was lost over that 8 months period, and the total trades taken were 15. All right, out of those 15 trades, 9 were profitable, and that gave us a 60% win rate. Okay, which is not entirely bad. All right, but then when you look at the average profit, is $41.18. When you look at the average loss, it's $83.77. So one of the main things that resulted in the negative net profit is the fact that the risk to reward ratio is bad. The average risk to reward ratio, you can see that the average loss is a little bit more than double of the average profit. So when you put that side by side with the win rate, it's not surprising to see a negative net profit. Now let us look at the balance drawdown. The maximal balance drawdown was 3.19%, okay, which is okay. The equity drawdown maximal was 4.05%. That is okay as well. So I think the major problem, or one of the major problems, is the risk to reward ratio. It is very bad. All right, so that impacted the results that we see. So now looking at the trade history, I can see that this EA is the type to hold trades for a short period of time. We can see here the trade was opened and closed within the same hour. Here again, within the same hour, opened and closed. All right, but in some cases, the trade seems to last for several hours, as in this is an example. All right, so there were times when the trade seemed when trades executed seems to last for several hours, while other times seems to just open and close within the same hour. Okay, so in addition to all that we have seen so far, I am going to recommend that if you're interested in this expert advice, or you want to test it yourself, back test it yourself, and if possible forward test it before you consider any financial commitment. Okay, so pulling this together, Alchemist EA is a fully automated MT5 robot aimed at traders who want a hands-off way to interact with the market. Well, what it doesn't offer, at least based on this listing, is transparency around its actual strategy, or any track record that, or rather enough track record that you can look at. Actually, I saw that there was a report attached, but I actually prefer to run my own back test, okay, in case of if there is any inaccuracy in the provided report. Okay, so there is actually a tester report here, but I prefer to run my own back test. All right, so no expert advisor is going to be the right fit for every trader or every market. So, and with the limited information available here, I'm just going to really encourage you to do your own research and put it through demo testing yourself before making any decisions with real funds. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.